Welcome to your Planning Assistant YouTube channel. In this video, you'll learn how to set up and use your Employee Attendance Tracker, a smart, automated Excel tool to manage leave and staff coverage with ease. Start by opening the Setup sheet. First, define your employee categories or departments. For example, sales, support, or admin. Next, enter the minimum number of employees needed in each category to keep your business running smoothly. This will help with automatic staff coverage tracking later. This operation will allow you to create a drop-down list to further build your employee list. After finishing category or department list, enter company holidays, any dates when no one needs to work, along with optional short descriptions. You'll also find 4 default leave types already added. Feel free to add or edit them in the same setup sheet. Each leave type is color-coded automatically in the calendar view, based on the color that is pre-assigned here. Now move to the employee table. Enter each employee's name, their vacation day limit for the year, select their department from the drop-down, and add their first day at work. If they've left, include their last working day for accurate reports. When this table is completed, you're all set up and ready to start tracking your employees' leave and staff coverage automatically. Now I have filled the setup sheet with more data, so we can see the spreadsheet in action. Let's go to the dashboard sheet. As you can see, the dashboard is currently empty, since no leave has been entered yet. Let's walk through an example using Employee 1 and selecting the current year. Once selected, you'll immediately notice how the calendar updates automatically. Today's date is highlighted. Weekends and company holidays are marked. Each month is fully generated based on the selected year. In the staff coverage section, Employee 1 belongs to the sales department, so we select sales from the drop-down. Now you can see that for all days, there's enough staff, and your minimum staffing threshold is being met. Everything looks good. Let's now add a leave period for Employee 1. Head to the Leave Tracker sheet and enter a start date in summer, an end date, for example 10 calendar days later. As soon as you enter the dates, the sheet automatically calculates the working days of the leave. Next, select Employee 1 and choose Vacation as the leave type. Now go back to the dashboard. The calendar is automatically updated. The vacation days are highlighted in green. You'll see an updated calculation of vacation days remaining for the year. In the staff coverage section, it now shows that on those days, only one sales team member is available. Let's take this a step further. Add another leave entry in the leave tracker. This time, mark a few days of sick leave for Employee 2, who also belongs to sales. For example, in the same time period when Employee 1 is on vacation. Back on the dashboard, choose Employee 2 in the drop-down. The calendar now shows Employee 2's leave days in pink. The staff coverage section shows no sales staff available on those days. These dates automatically turn pink, indicating a staffing shortage. Finally, head to the Report for Printing sheet. When you select the same year, you'll see a clear, printer-friendly summary of all leave records and statistics for each employee you entered. Let's look at a few extra features that make this template even more powerful. We'll start with Employee 4. As defined in the setup sheet, Employee 4's first working day is set to April 1st, and he or she belongs to the support department. Now, if we go to the dashboard and select Employee 4 from the drop-down, you'll see that all the dates before April 1st are shaded in light gray, clearly showing that the employee was not yet working at the company. In the staff coverage section, if we choose the support department, those same dates reflect that the employee was not available, helping you clearly see gaps in team coverage. Let's take another example. Employee 3, also from support. This employee's last working day is set as December 1st. So when we view Employee 3's calendar on the dashboard, all dates after December 1st are also shaded in light gray, indicating they are no longer part of the team. Now, if we look again at the support department's staffing coverage in December, the calendar reflects this change. You'll see staff shortages, as employee 3 is no longer active during that period. These visual cues help you quickly understand team availability over the course of the year, especially for contract employees, new hires, or those leaving the company. This template also includes automated warning messages to help prevent common data entry errors. Let's take employee 5 as an example. If you forget to enter their first day of work in the setup sheet, and then select them in the dashboard, you'll see a clear warning message saying, "No employee start date is indicated." In this case, the entire calendar for the employee is shaded in light gray, because the template doesn't know when they started working. In the staff coverage section, the employee might appear incorrectly, since the system doesn't know when they became active. This is why setting both start and end dates for each employee is important to ensure accurate tracking and reliable staff coverage calculations. Now let's look at another alert. Overlapping leave periods. Suppose you already entered a sick leave for employee 2 from June 3rd to June 6th. If you then try to add another vacation leave for employee 2 that overlaps the same dates, for example, from June 5th to June 15th, when you return to the dashboard, you'll see a new warning. Some leave periods for this employee may be duplicated or overlapping. These automatic alerts make it easy to catch mistakes and keep your records clean, reliable, and error-free. Thanks for watching. Your employee attendance tracker is now ready to use. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a 5-star review on Etsy. It really means a lot. And if you need help, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy tracking!